Okay, now we are going to finish our horse. Holding it so that the sink fold is on the bottom, that's the base of our horse, we are going to open up the tail, the point that doesn't have a little triangle folded down. Open it up and we are going to do a swivel fold by pinching the base of the tail together. We are going to fold it at an angle down like so. Crimp folds. This is a crimp fold, with swivel folds on both sides. This is a crimp fold with the tail. Now, for the tail to look like it's flowing, we are going to do an inside reverse fold, out, and do another inside reverse fold up. Now you have a flowing horsetail. Turn your unit to the other side, and we are going to do a crimp fold with the head as well. Same thing with the tail, same thing as we did with the tail. Do a crimp fold with the base of the head. Swivel folds on both sides. Now for the top of the head, we are going to fold it down so that it looks like the head of the horse. Fold it down at an angle. Fold it down like this. This is our guiding crease.